Hey guys, we're going to be looking today at Red Fitness and a redesign we did for them on how to improve their e-commerce stores conversion. So we focused on this product, the adjustable bench, $600. And there's a lot that can be done to improve this product page. So let's get into it right now. So right off the bat, you see here the add to cart button. It's quite small. It's towards the bottom of the page. And it's way better to instead have add to cart, just do buy now. So what we did here is we made it buy now. That's probably the biggest difference. We did buy now, having the price in there. It just cuts one step out of the funnel and customers can just get to checkout a lot easier. Especially if you're running ads, this is one way to reduce the ad spend. Just keep the steps as minimal as possible. And we put a couple benefits and features here in bullet form. Just beef that up a bit more. We made it a bit wider here. So just here, we have a lot of space to work with. You can see we inverted the image and the body, but another big thing we did was free shipping under the CTA and 30-day money-back guarantee. So this is super crucial. They did not put that in the original. Having this under the CTA is known to convert. I've seen this personally improve conversions on Shopify stores, e-commerce stores, product pages. And the last thing we did was add a bit of social proof. So we have text social proof here, and it has a slider as well, so you can just slide through and see other reviews as well. Next, we get into the mobile. So remember, more than 80%, 90% of traffic is going to be coming from all mobile. So you want to just make sure mobile is optimized as much as possible. So obvious is the logo here. We added the free shipping benefit up in the nav, in the announcement bar. It's crucial to add the CTA in the nav as well, because a lot of people, there's some people just ready to buy. They don't need to scroll down. Just let them buy right there. Click the button, go straight to the cart and straight to checkout. Image here centered, review stars here, color options here. We have the reviews here. Normally what we do, we build all our landing pages in Replo, me and my team. Normally this section, you have review count here, but if you want to see reviews here, we'll have it where you click it, it'll just jump down to the review section. So it makes the more page interactive. You don't need to scroll. It does the work for you. Product sizes here. The biggest thing is we replaced the add to cart with a buy now. Price there. Here's some brands like to do where they allow you to split the payment options. We have that, but more important than this is the free shipping and 30-day money back guarantee. This is so important. I've seen, like I said, adding free shipping under the CTA does help the conversions. It does bring it up. And super important, add some social proof above the fold as well, close to the CTA. And this allows you to just easily swipe through, see other reviews. Now you can see the before and after. So the mobile before, what we did, we utilized the space much better here. We added the free shipping here. As you can see, we still have the reviews, the variants, making sure the buy now is just coming up. You see this iPhone is smaller, but it's just more for effect. It is the same iPhone size. So we just brought up the CTA button, having it almost full width. We have about 15 pixels padding on the edges. Free shipping, like I said. So big difference between the before and after. This redesign we did will significantly increase the conversions. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found value from this and want to do the same thing for your e-commerce store, book a call and let's chat.